Sunday. I'm gonna get so much wear. I got this in a charity shop for like €30. Good morning, it is Tuesday. Have on this Zara jumper, Topshop shirt. Although that I thrifted, I don't know where it's from. Here are my loafers. This is like really old Topshop. Jumper is, I think, originally H&M. Okay, I'm just back. I'll show you what I got. Good morning. It is Sunday. Heading out on a stroll before heading into the studio for a full day of so much work that needs to be finished. Yeah, I think it was actually this time last week I went out on a stroll too, but that's what we're going to do today. Show you my outfit. Have my coffee. Actually a very similar outfit to last week. Well, the same coat, because this coat is amazing. I'm gonna get so much wear. I got this in a charity shop for like €30 and it's like full, it's like a vintage wool and cashmere coat. Cream jumper. This skirt is thrifted, really old H&M. I feel like there's probably a matching top. I would love to eventually find that. APC bag. ASOS shoes I wear all the time. I think these are Carhartt socks. Red beret and sunglasses. You're so vocal. Good morning, it is Tuesday. I'm just on my way into the studio. Just done my makeup. I actually have some flicks on my eyes, which I haven't done in so long. I actually forgot how much I love flicks, so I'm gonna start doing it again. I don't know what's going on with my hair at the moment. I don't know. I'm not happy with it, but I don't know what to do with it. Have on this Zara jumper, Topshop shirt. It's really nice. It's like this kind of stripy shirt, and I've just worn it because I wanted something to like stick out under the sleeves. Collar that I thrifted. I don't know where it's from. Probably like Primark maybe. Necklace, you've seen that loads of times before. That I have on this Topshop skirt, vintage jeans, and my loafers. I'll show you again outside anyway. I'm gonna head into the studio now, but I thought I'd just show you before I go. Oh, and what perfume. I think I'm gonna wear this one today, which is the Essence Vault 17, but it smells like Marc Jacobs Daisy. sunglasses for the bike. I think I wear a beanie hat. I don't know, maybe a beanie hat. I really have to get a mirror in my room because I don't have like a long mirror to know what an outfit looks like. This corduroy brown jacket or blazer, Canada. I think that's like C&A. I thrifted that in Tenerife. I think it was like €2. But I like the idea of maybe that brown, how that brown might work with the outfits. So let's give that a shot. I'm gonna head in now and I will catch up with you in a bit. And here are my loafers. You've seen me wear these so many times. I just added this clip. It's like literally like a hair slide. Hopefully it stays on. It's kind of cute. Just going to show you my outfit now while I'm out. So Zara top and the kind of collar with the cuffs, skirt over jeans and loafers. This is like really old Topshop. The top is really old Topshop. I actually changed my glasses to these ASOS ones I love. And I just have my bag as well.
Have a good day. You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I got a bracelet and a scarf, both of which I did not need, but are so pretty. It is Thursday, just about to head into the studio. Today is literally so casual. I just have to get stuff done. So that's what's going on. So that's what's going on with today's outfit. I think I said yesterday, I don't know what to do with my hair. Like, I don't know whether to go back like full blonde at the front. That feels most me. Yeah, I really don't know what to do. Oh, I'm in a rush. Okay, I'm gonna put on my hoops. These are from 𝙉𝙊𝙑𝙀𝙈, which they sent over, and I wear them all the time. And necklace. This is also a 𝙉𝙊𝙑𝙀𝙀 necklace. It came with the A, and I added the cute little charm. Just in case anyone is interested, this jumper is, I think, originally H&M. Just love the kind of colorway, the blended color, love that. I don't know how they do that. Like, is it dyed afterwards? Does anyone know how that's done? Because it's definitely not like in the wool. It's like, and it's on the other side too. So I don't know how that's done. Maybe it's like was it nearly like a tie-dye effect? And these are Topshop jeans. I think they're a size or two too big, so that's why they're kind of sitting down a bit further, but they're so comfy. And then I have on these Topshop loafers you've seen me wear loads of times. Okay, I have got to go, so we will catch up. Oh, perfume. Okay, today I'm gonna go with this basic one today, which I've shown you before. It's just like a supermarket smell. Whew, okay, let's go. In case you were wondering, which I'm sure you weren't, but just reversible bomber today. And probably, see, I can't wear a hat when I'm on the bike, but then I need a hat during the day, probably just a beanie. Very casual, very casual. Yeah, very simple outfit for today. Good morning, it's Sunday. I'm off to get the final few things before everything starts tomorrow. Yeah, I'm in the studio today, but I need to just run out to the shop now. I'm actually gonna run to Boots because I really want to bleach my eyebrows. I didn't get a chance to do my hair, so I was like, maybe I'll do my eyebrows just to do something different for Fashion Week. So I'm gonna try and get some stuff now for that. All the Christmas stuff. I'm just gonna run into Boots, I think. My friend was saying there's this thing called 𝙉𝙊𝙑𝙀𝙈 that I can use, so I'm gonna see if I can find that. You can get small ones of these, which is great for toning. Okay, this is it here. So either go for the mild formula or the original. Exciting. I also think they're gonna get this because it smells so good. Also gonna get some Vaseline. This is so cute. Okay, just back to show you what I got. I thought I would have time before. I thought I would have had time to like do my hair and have my hair nice, but everything just got so busy that that's not gonna happen. So I thought maybe I'll bleach my eyebrows just to kind of do something different. So I got the 𝙉𝙊𝙑𝙀𝙈. I got the original just so it dyes well, and then I also kind of saw that that is recommended to use after like a purple toner just to kind of get it like a nice frosty blonde. So we'll do that tonight and see how that turns out. And I also got, it's recommended like that you put Vaseline all around your skin so that the bleach isn't on your skin. I haven't had Vaseline in forever, but I got this one because it's like, it's Vaseline but it just smells really good, so I thought I'd use that after. I was also probably influenced by that packaging because look at that, that is so cute, and oh God, it actually smells amazing. It smells like summer vanilla coconut flavored lip balm. Actually, is Vaseline vegan? I didn't even think about that. I don't know if that's vegan. Shit. Then I got cleansing wipes. I never buy cleansing wipes. I always, like, one thing I've always done is I take off my makeup every single night, apart from like maybe a few times when I was a teenager staying over in someone's house. But I always kind of, I like to take my makeup off at night. But I always use like a face cloth and like hot water and I really get in there. But I thought for the fashion show it was worth having some cleansing wipes for models and that kind of thing. Especially we're going to do like some kind of silver or like metallic eyeshadow. This is handy. So I got one of them. And then this was like one of those purchases that was like totally unnecessary. But I really like a lot of the Boots range. I know I got that one, that like oat cleansing balm that was not good at all. But this is like a glow mist, and ugh. Oh my God, it smells like summer. Oh, it smells so good. Body in. I didn't even know what it's supposed to smell like, or is this like even? It's probably like a dupe for something. But you can spray it. It says Multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup or to set your finished look. Could I put on now? Let's see if it makes a difference. Okay. Okay. Nothing's happening. There you go. Has that made any difference? I should have done it before. But I feel hydrated. Am I supposed to feel hydrated? Yeah, I am. I'm supposed to feel illuminating and hydrating. So I just thought that was nice. Sometimes it's nice just to have something nice. It's been a super busy past forever. I don't even know when I started all this prep. Actually, let's talk a little bit about I think I was also quite naive about like financially how much this was going to cost. Everything has like really added up, just in terms of like the cost of renting the space, having a sound engineer, having like sound equipment, having lighting, and these are not things I thought about, like a DJ, all the food and everything needed, yeah, everything. Anyway, all these costs together really add up, and I think I didn't fully think about how much it was going to cost, so I'm actually really stressed about the amount of money that I will have to spend, and it'll all have to be from my savings. Yeah, so it is quite an extra outgoing. I'm hoping because it's closer to Christmas that I will sell a few bits like at the Fade Street and at the Smock Alley part that will help me just cover the costs of putting this on. I mean, it would be lovely to leave this week making money, but I think at this stage, if I even make enough to like cover the running of it, at least that doesn't leave me in a worse position than I'm in right now. But yeah, I think like obviously it costs a lot to put on a fashion show, but maybe I was a bit like, I thought I could do it like with an extreme budget, and that's not the case at all. I think next year if I was doing it, I would do it maybe with someone, or else I would see about what funding is available. Anyway, that's just realistic like reality of doing something like this, and I suppose you have to do it to find out those things. And I suppose that is just something that I can take away and learn from this experience. Anyway, we've got so much to get done today. I'm going to jump into my day. I'm on site at Fade Street tomorrow. So we have my friend Megan, who has a brand, Solstice by Seeking Judy. It's like a knitwear brand. She has a full day there tomorrow, so I'll be there helping her. We're going to drop in some stuff tonight. We're setting up from like really early tomorrow morning, and then her event kicks off at 11 a.m. tomorrow, so I will film what I can. I will definitely bring my camera with me, and then the next day is my day. So basically everything I need to have done for my day I need to finish today, because I really won't have any time tomorrow. So I'm very busy. This is the last day to get everything finished, so we've got to finalize all the models' looks, anything that needs to be printed like guest list, anything like that, that all has to be done. Last minute emails, back and forth with people. Ooh, okay, I need to just start my day, so I will catch you in a bit.